Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will explain you how to recording on PowerPoint. First go to slideshow in the menu and select record slideshow and go to record from beginning and click start recording. When you record in upper part you can see the time. From here you can go to slide to slide. There you can go to next slide and there you can go to previous slide. From here you can choose laser point, pen, highlighter and eraser. There you can choose a color what you want. When you right click and go to under you can see there ensure. From that you can stop your recording. After go to file on the menu and go to export and click on create a video. From there you can change video quality. From there you can mute or unmute your recording. Now click on create a video. Now you have to save your video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.